This is a quick review for the BLACK+DECKER air fryer slash oven slash toaster. Honestly, it's really convenient. I've been using this every day for the past 2 months. So I'm gonna use it in front of you using the toast option. This is the tray that comes with it. It comes with one tray and one basket. And it comes with the non-drip tray that goes inside underneath, and with this just the plate. So I'm gonna use the toaster option. I have 2 sandwiches here. Just gonna place them. So I put the Parmesan paper so I don't need to clean this tray more often, and it really helps when you're just toasting something and you don't want to like mess up the whole thing. You just put the option on toast like this, and then you choose the desired toasting option. I want it a bit toasted. It has 3 different options, and I'm gonna put, it says like you have to rotate the knob past 20 and middle toast, then set to desired setting. So that's what I did. So while it's toasting, I'm gonna talk about the air fryer. It's amazing. It's definitely more convenient than the regular air fryer because you can actually see everything here through the glass oven, and you can just like if you want to turn something to the other side, you can just open it while it's air frying and do that. You can use it as an oven. You have the bake option on 250, 300 and up to 450, which is also great for like the capacity is actually big. So I haven't even been using our regular oven because this is exactly what we need. So I'm using it to bake everything in it. You have the broil option, which is also really convenient. You can keep it to warm and to minimum. It has up to 60 minutes timer, which is also great. And so what like the weird thing about this is it doesn't have an on and off option, just like air fryer. Like you turn on the timer and you start your option. But what I do when I'm done like toasting or like done air frying something and the timer is still not done, I would just unplug it from the socket just to like be safe. And it's not really big, but it's like big enough. And I put it right here in the corner, which is great. It didn't take much of the space and still looks really nice. Please don't do what I did. I wiped it using and disinfectant wipes, and it's like the color was a bit different, but now it came to its regular color. You just need to use a washcloth with a regular dish soap and wipe it. So it's almost done toasting. I just want to show you the texture. I put just regular bread, and it's really easy to take off. You do not need to take all the plates when you're using it. You just need to like put like the desired one. And this basket is really convenient, so I use it with like regular potatoes, and I choose the air fry option. And this plate is non-drip plate. This one, you can pull it actually out. Okay, it's a bit hot now, but you can pull it out and clean it. So this is really convenient to clean. You do not need to like wipe anything from the inside. At least for me, I didn't have to so far. And even though I used it to like air fry fish. Okay, so it's done toasting now. I just want to show you how convenient is the toasting option. Can you see? It's pretty toasted, like exactly what I want it to be, which is great. Definitely recommended. The price is really good. I like this is a replacement for my regular air fryer, toaster, and honestly, as an oven, it's really convenient. I would definitely recommend it.
Look at that. freaking fire. No, I have to return this. So, in other words, I have to cover top and bottom of the burgers to prevent flames from spilling out. Prevent a fire. This can't be safe, folks. It calls for broil. It's unbroiled. But it smokes like crazy. And flashes like fire. It's not venting properly. Look at the scrap. It's already burnt. There's a burn mark where the flame was coming from. Shit. That's a burn right there. Oh my God.